I'm Tommaso from easyreporting.io, and today we are going to see how to simply create a Google Tag Manager account.
All right, here we are in the Google Tag Manager setup. Google Tag Manager is one of the most powerful tools created by Google in the recent years. In my opinion, it's great to control everything that's going on your website, to easily create events in Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel. It really helps any marketing team, tech team to be faster in deploying updates and make everything communicate with everything else. So we're going to click on Create Account. Here we are going to decide our account name. In my case, I'm going to put Test as a name. You can decide if you want to give even more data to Google. For this time, I think I'm going to skip it just in case. And then I'm going to put easyreporting.io because that's the name of the container I want to create. So an account can have inside several containers, and each container corresponds to either a web page, an app for iOS and Android, AMP, or a server, and you can decide based on what you need. In my case, I want web tracking, and I'm going to click on Create. So now there is all the privacy policy stuff that you need to do. You need to accept, of course, everything that they tell you. Please read here and make sure that everything is fine. And then you can click on Yes here on the top right. So once you click on Yes, it will take a few seconds.
Did you enjoy this video? Well, you can like, subscribe, and share it with anyone that might find it helpful. Also on easyreporting.io, there is a lot more content on website analytics and reporting. Go give a look. I'll see you in the next video.